All right, we were sent this sweeper here and I thought it was going to be a great idea to be able to use it. We have artificial turf here. It's made to be able to do artificial turf or to be able to pick up regular grass if you're mowing your yard and you have your clippings that stay on the grass. But this here, really cool. Artificial turf or real turf, this really does a really nice job of being able to sweep it up. Now I went through and I cleaned up some of this yard here to test it out ahead of time to make sure it was doing a good job. And then I laid it back out here in a nice track so that you'll be able to see how well it works. It comes very easy to assemble, just some bolts and then screws to be able to put together. The longer bar, the little bar, goes on the top here. There's a shorter bar and that goes right here on this lower part. And then there's elastic straps to be able to hold the bag here. Couple ways that it says that you can dump it here is one, you can just go through and dump the bag like that and have it run back through the machine when you get to where you're going to be dumping it. But if I'm going to be sweeping this up, I'm going to be throwing it into a trash can. So what you would do is once you have it to a certain fill level, you go through and remove this. You're going to pull this front one off and then this back one, and then you would take this to your trash receptacle and dump it, and then go ahead and put it back on opposite way. So this top bar goes across these little supports, bottom bar goes on here. It has the nice little channel already welded in place for the bar to go into, and then the elastic band just goes onto these little parts there. So real easy to be able to install it. As you can see, it has these nylon bristles that are very strong, nice and thick bristles for longevity. And then they're also adjustable. So depending on how tall your yard is, whether it's artificial turf or real turf, you can adjust the height so that it's just hitting the surface. If it goes too low, you're going to be wearing those bristles out and it'll probably be really hard to be able to push this. All right, I'm going to go through, push it across here. Now, one thing you want to do when you're adjusting the brush is find out what's comfortable for you when pushing it so that you have it adjusted to the correct height. I'm 6'5", so I have this adjusted to where the rollers are sitting a little bit lower, just because my height where I'm tilting this is at a certain level. The other side is you need to make sure that you're only tilting it so far because this here will dig into the grass. So you can't go too high, but you can go just high enough. All right, we're gonna go through. It's a walk behind, so you push it in this direction. If you try to pull it, you can pull it, but the roller won't spin. All right, we're gonna go through here. Do this just like this. You can see how it picks that up and throws it into the bin. It's pretty darn cool how well this thing works. So it's not a single pass and collects it all. You might need to do 2 passes, but look at that. Look at how easy it is to be able to fluff it up into there and just go through and pick it up. It even picks up small sticks, which is really cool. So not only is it grass clippings, but it's also small sticks. And once you get going walking with it, it is a very smooth operation. Might take a little fine tuning once you kind of get used to where you want the bristles to be at what level. But once you get going here, then you can just see it all throw itself in. And what I'm finding is kind of the faster that I go, a little bit more effective are the bristles there. If you go too slow, it's not quite picking them up and throwing them into the basket quite as much. It's kind of just going through and catching only some of them. But if you can get going at a good clip, then it seems to be able to work really well here in cleaning it up. I've still got to find the opposite. Look at how cool that is. Now going through and picking up whether it's little seed pods or little branches, you can see what this has collected here with me walking around. Really easy to be able to do this. And if you feel the bristles or the wheels just aren't rolling, it's just because you need to change the angle to be able to find what's optimized. And then once you find that, you can do a permanent adjustment or just lift it or down or up with your arms. But this thing's really cool. Something that's great for you to be able to get for your kids to be able to do with you as well, to be able to help you with yard work. Instead of having, especially with artificial turf, instead of being out there with a push broom or blowing things around where you're just creating a lot of dust, this here can do a really good job of cleaning up your yards and having fun with it as well.